Imagine a world where you could enhance your cognitive abilities, memory, focus, mental speed, just by taking a pill. Is it possible? As sophisticated and witty as this sounds, it's not a concept from a sci-fi movie. We're talking about the fascinating world of cognitive enhancement. Our brains, the complex organ that they are, have always been a subject of intrigue and exploration. And why not? After all, they're the command center of our bodies, guiding our every move, decision, and sensation. But what if we could push the limits of our brain's performance? What if we could do more, learn more, and be more? Cognitive enhancement, as the term suggests, refers to the improvement of one's cognitive abilities. It's about enhancing the processes that let us acquire knowledge and understand our surroundings, things like memory, attention, and decision-making. In an era where information is at our fingertips and productivity is the name of the game, it's no wonder that cognitive enhancement is sparking interest. Whether it's students aiming for better grades, professionals seeking a competitive edge, or seniors trying to ward off cognitive decline, the appeal is broad and the potential implications are massive. But how do we achieve this enhanced state of cognition? One word: nootropics. Also known as smart drugs, nootropics are substances that can potentially boost brain function. From improving memory and learning to enhancing focus and mental speed, these compounds hold promise. However, like any frontier, the world of nootropics is not without its challenges. Issues of safety, ethics, and methodology stand as obstacles on this path of brain betterment. But despite these hurdles, research continues to unravel the potential of these cognitive enhancers. In this complex world, the quest for enhanced cognitive abilities is leading us to explore new frontiers. One such frontier is the world of nootropic drugs. So, what exactly are these nootropic drugs that promise cognitive enhancement? Let's start by defining nootropics. Often referred to as smart drugs, nootropics are substances believed to boost cognitive function. It's like they offer a seemingly magical upgrade to your brain's capabilities. But how exactly do they work? Nootropics modulate neurotransmitter systems in the brain. Now, neurotransmitters are the brain's chemical messengers. They transmit signals across the nerve cells that affect everything from mood to muscle movement. By influencing these systems, nootropics can potentially alter and improve the way our brains function. Moreover, nootropics are also known to enhance cerebral blood flow. This essentially means that they improve the circulation of blood in the brain. With better blood flow, our brains receive more oxygen and nutrients, which can lead to improved mental performance. Now, with these mechanisms at play, nootropics promise a range of potential benefits. They can potentially enhance memory, making it easier for you to remember details. They can improve learning, helping you to absorb and retain new information more efficiently. And they can even boost executive function, meaning they can enhance your ability to plan, focus, and juggle multiple tasks effectively. However, it's not all about cramming for an exam or preparing for a big presentation. Nootropics also have potential therapeutic applications. For example, they could be used to treat neurological and psychiatric disorders like Alzheimer's disease and ADHD. But remember, while the potential of nootropics may sound impressive, it's not all straightforward. Research into these substances faces challenges, including methodological limitations, ethical concerns, and safety issues. So, it's not just about popping a pill and expecting miracles. While nootropics may seem like a magic pill for cognitive enhancement, it's essential to understand their benefits and risks fully. Nootropic drugs are not just about boosting your brain power for a day's work or study. Their benefits could go much further. Let's take a moment to delve deeper into the world of nootropics and their potential therapeutic applications. One of the areas where nootropics have shown promise is in the treatment of neurological disorders, such as Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's is marked by memory loss and confusion, symptoms that can be devastating for both patients and their loved ones. Nootropic drugs can modulate neurotransmitter systems to improve memory, potentially slowing the progression of this disease and improving the quality of life for those affected. Similarly, nootropics might be beneficial for those living with attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or ADHD. This condition often results in difficulties with focus and concentration. By enhancing cognitive function, nootropics could help individuals with ADHD to better manage these symptoms, facilitating their daily tasks and interactions. But the benefits of nootropics aren't limited to those with diagnosed conditions. Think about it. We live in a fast-paced world, where juggling multiple tasks and responsibilities is the norm. How many times have you wished for a little more mental clarity, focus, or memory power to get through a busy day. That's where nootropics could come into play, by promoting enhanced cognitive function and mental stamina for better performance in everyday life. Moreover, nootropics could potentially improve overall brain health. By boosting cerebral blood flow, these drugs could enhance the delivery of oxygen and nutrients to the brain, promoting its optimal function and longevity. However, it's important to remember that while the benefits of nootropics are enticing, they are not without potential risks. The research on these substances is ongoing, and we are still learning about their long-term effects. It's crucial to approach their use with caution, and always under the guidance of a healthcare professional. Indeed, the potential benefits of nootropic drugs could be life-changing, but like any drug, they come with potential risks. While the potential benefits of nootropic drugs are impressive, it's crucial not to ignore the possible risks. Our journey into the world of nootropics wouldn't be complete without a frank discussion about the challenges and safety issues associated with these cognitive enhancers. When we talk about risks, we're not just referring to potential side effects, but also to methodological limitations in research and ethical concerns. Let's start with the methodological limitations. The research into nootropics is still in its early stages, and many studies face challenges in their design and execution. For instance, many studies are small-scale or lack the randomized, double-blind control groups that are the gold standard in scientific research. This can make it difficult to draw concrete conclusions about the efficacy and safety of nootropic drugs. Moving on to safety issues, while nootropics are largely marketed as being side-effect-free, this isn't necessarily the case. Some users have reported experiencing headaches, digestive issues, and insomnia. Furthermore, the long-term effects of these drugs are yet to be fully understood. As with any substance that alters brain function, there's always a risk of unforeseen consequences down the line. Last but not least, there are ethical concerns to consider. The increasing use of cognitive enhancers raises questions about fairness and the pressure to perform. If these drugs become widespread, will they create a society where only those who can afford to enhance their cognition can compete? And what about the pressure to take these drugs to keep up with peers or to meet workplace expectations? Understanding the risks of nootropic drugs is as important as understanding their benefits. Only then can we make informed decisions about their use. As we stand on the frontier of cognitive enhancement, what does the future hold for nootropic drugs? The future of nootropics is as intriguing as it is complex. Today, ongoing research is delving deep into the world of these smart drugs, exploring their potential and uncovering new possibilities. The aim is to broaden our understanding of cognitive enhancement and improve the quality of life. Scientists are striving to overcome the challenges that have so far limited the full potential of nootropics. These include methodological limitations, ethical concerns, and safety issues. By addressing these hurdles, we can expect to see more comprehensive and reliable studies that will shed light on the true capabilities of these cognitive enhancers. The potential for future developments in the field of nootropics is vast. With more in-depth and comprehensive research, we might discover new substances that can enhance cognitive function without significant side effects. There is also the possibility of developing nootropics that can effectively treat neurological and psychiatric disorders like Alzheimer's disease and ADHD. Importantly, the future of nootropic drugs is not just about discovering new substances or improving existing ones. It is also about developing a deeper understanding of how these drugs work. By studying the mechanisms of action of nootropics, we can gain valuable insights into the workings of the human brain, which can lead to breakthroughs in neuroscience and medicine. The exploration of nootropic drugs is a journey of understanding, not just about the drugs themselves, but also about the human brain and its potential. This journey is filled with challenges, but the potential rewards are immense. As we continue to explore and understand, we are not just unlocking the secrets of cognitive enhancement, but also opening up new pathways for treating a range of brain-related disorders. The world of nootropic drugs is complex and promising. As we continue to explore, we move closer to understanding the full potential of cognitive enhancement.